Hey guys, today I'm taking you to Burnaby in Vancouver, BC to check out an awesome spot for collectors. They've got a huge selection of Transformers, action figures, model kits, and even tabletop gaming. Let's head in and take a look. Now we're at age 3 and up warehouse location at Burnaby, Vancouver. Right away, you can see this place is packed with collectibles. Age 3 and up has been a key part of the Transformers and action figures community for over a decade. The brand has operated several retail locations in Vancouver, Canada, and has maintained a strong online presence since the late 90s. In 2008, Age 3 and Up was relaunched, featuring a wide range of imported Japanese Takara Transformers and third-party robot collectibles, from reissues of classic Generation 1 series to the latest releases and rare finds for dedicated collectors. But it's not just Transformers. Age 3 and Up has a massive selection of action figures from top brands like Bandai, Good Smile Company, and Super 7 Ultimates, plus collectibles from Mafex, Maxco, Storm Collectibles, and more. Whether you're into superheroes, anime, or video game figures, there's something here for your collection. And the model kit session. I'll be honest, I don't know a whole lot about action figures, but I can definitely relate when it comes to model kits. Age 3 and Up has a great selections including gunpla, figurized standard, and even Star Wars model kits. Look at all these figures. I found a section of paints, but after checking the website, I saw they actually offer paints, tools, and supplies from a bunch of different brands. And this is the amazing showroom upstairs. Coming up to the second floor, you'll find a showroom displaying all the collections. Don't forget to park in a one-on-one visitor spots. They're first come, first serve. Had a great time at H3 and Up today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more store visits and gunplay content. See you in the next one.